back to my channel. If you're new to this, my name is Cheryl. I am setting up my YouTube channel to recreate all the inspired makeup tutorials, hair tutorials, and as well as how to style series. You can definitely check out all my playlists, which I'll link down here, at the right hand corner here. If you're part of the family, welcome back. I'm so excited because today I am following my favorite makeup artist, Hung Vanngo. I was so excited that he finally came out with his YouTube channel because I am dying to know what is his makeup technique. He has created so many pretty gorgeous looks on all the celebrities, and also Emily, she is such a goddess because she has such a gorgeous sexy face, and her body, don't even talk about that. Come on, like, we all know that she has the killer body. I would die to have a body like her. So yeah, today's makeup is basically my favorite combo. I have to try to follow Hung Vanngo's makeup tutorial and to recreate this look, and I don't have all the products that Vanngo is using. So this look, I basically use whatever I have, finding the similar shades to recreate this look. So if you want to know how I recreate this look using all my own products, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and don't forget to click the bell notification so you get notified whenever I post. Without further ado, let's get started. The first step that he is using is a lot of skincare products. The essence moisturizing, which I already have it in my face in the morning. For the lip balm, I'm gonna be using Burt's because I do not have the Summer Fridays lip balm, although I want it so badly, but it's just so hard to get my hands on it. It's not available in Singapore. I have to get it online, but it's always out of stock. So I'm just gonna be using my Burt's lip balm.
But this foundation is more like a tinted moisturizer.
Okay, so he's using Kevin Aucoin Skin Tint Moisturizer. So it's very sheer and very natural, but I don't have it. So what I'm gonna do is that I am gonna mix my Dior Backstage foundations, and with this from the Maqpro, this is a strobe base. It can create a very... I just forgot a word. It creates a very natural glow into your skin. So I'm just gonna mix this two and put it on my skin. I'm gonna be using my beauty blender to blend it because I don't have the body sponge.
Emily is a little tan on the body, so I'm trying to match her face and body a little bit. So I just use a little darker foundation. She doesn't need much at all, and I think it's great for summer. You don't need to overly covering your face. And I always try to blend with the ear and the neck as well.
Next thing, he's using the Cosmos concealer, which I don't have it again, so I am gonna go with my Nicotine, which is lighter tone to my skin tone to create that brightening effect.
It's from a vegan brand called Cosad. Nice and clean, not too heavy.
I'm going back in with my beauty blender. I'm gonna softly blend it out.
So right now I just basically use the same foundation sponge and I just blend out the concealer.
Alright, next, Vanngo is using a cream bronzer to use the finger to tap on the areas and then blend it with the blushes. So I'm gonna go ahead with my Fenty Beauty contour. This is the color Maqpro. So I'm gonna be using my finger.
It's give dimension on the face, It's not just one thing, but I think like the cream and the between the different texture of the product gonna create a lot of dimension on the face. I think it's, that's the important part.
So I'm just gonna go in and start blending it.
So what I'm doing right now is not exactly is contouring, but I'm just basically shading, because I think I'm not going extreme.
So I'm gonna go in with my setting powder. This is from the Maqpro.
I'm just gonna set a little bit under the eye and just the T-zone.
So for the eyebrow, Emily, she has a higher arch, which I do not really have it, but I'm trying to create it. First, I'm gonna go in with my Burt's lip balm, and I'm just gonna use my finger to prep my eyebrow first. I'm just gonna go into my spoolie. I'm gonna be using my Benefit, my Precisely, my brow pencil. It's gonna go and fill in the gap. I'm gonna fix it using my Urban Decay and give a few spray. I'm trying to like calm it up. Using the brown pencil eyeliner, adding the depth into your eyes, basically really close to the lash line. So I have something similar color, which is from the NARS. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add on into my eyes.
Even do the really natural eye makeup, I still want to use a little eyeliner as the depth there, and then I blend it out, then I use the eyeshadow. I think that way it's have everything underneath there.
Next thing, he's using this bronzy glow on the eyelid. I find a similar color, which is from my Naked Tree palette. So the color that I'm using is gonna be this, working towards the upper. So he emphasized more on the inside of the eyelid to give it a little bit more color, and as you go beyond that, you blend it in and diffuse it so it creates a depth into your eyes using just one color. I'm also adding to my lower lash line and blend it out nicely. For the extra glitter, Vanngo is using something that is very rose crystal glitter. Is gonna be using this to add on top of it.
Makeup, you just play with them, you know, like when I came here and I was just like, okay.
To have a little bit more glitter, I decided to add on the Maqpro Superstar powder. I'm just gonna use a little bit and then tap it on the lid. We're gonna go right into my eyelash color. This is from the Shoe Mirror. I don't have the one from Kevin Aquan, so I'm just gonna go ahead with this one because it suits my eyes. It can capture all my eyelash. Go in with my Stila mascara. Sorry guys, I'll be right back. Let's move on to the blushes. I do not have the Towel 28 very peachy shade of cream. I keep forgetting it's a cream blushes. So I'm gonna go with my Maqpro powder, and this is the peachy shade. I am kind of gonna mix a little bit with this one to have a little bit of the blushes across the nose. It's the perfect for summer.
Give you a little bit on the nose, like you always like
My
it.
favorite. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Soft Focus highlighter. This is from the Benefit. I am gonna do this at the higher cheeks. I'm going back in to kind of blend in the highlighter with the blushes. I never knew there's such a method, but blending it together actually looks really nice. So now we're gonna move on to the lip. I'm gonna go back with my lip balm just to touch it up. Alright, to the nude lipstick. I don't have the one from the KKW. I do have one from the Kylie collections, and this is the nude color.
This one is nice. It's perfect color for people who have like a nice tan, you know, like it's the nude. It's a hint of coral and peachiness.
I'm going in with my Charlotte Tilbury. I'm gonna line my lip. So this is a very interesting because he only does the lip lining after the lipstick. Usually I do it before, but I guess this is like make your lips like more defined. And I'm gonna go into this peach, and then I am just gonna lightly tap and put it on top of it to give it a little bit of that peachy nude that is in the Emily's lip. I'm gonna go in to add just a little bit from my Fenty Beauty lip balm. Last but not least, he's using a velvet matte bronzer to kind of warm up the face.
You usually just warm up again at the end with just a little bit everything. Just do.
I don't have the setting spray that has that dewy finish. What I have is only the Urban Decay All Nighter, which doesn't give you that dewy finish. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna mix my spring water, and I'm gonna go with my setting spray. So this is the final makeup look of me trying to follow Hung Vanngo's. I hope that I did justice to Hung Vanngo and to Emily as well. I really try my best to recreate as much as possible using all the products that I have, because basically I don't have all the products that Vanngo is using. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please smash a like button for my creativity efforts. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification so you get notified whenever I post on my YouTube channel. I love you guys. I hope you guys stay safe, stay sane, and stay beautiful as always. I will see you guys in my next video.